Hey everyone, today I am doing a mystery bag unbagging for you, and as you can see my bag is over there. It looks pretty full. It's actually kind of overflowing. I'm going to be going through this bag and we are going to divvy it up into multiple different categories of what I'm going to do with the items, whether that be resell online, whether that be bring to Plato's Closet, or whether that be keep myself or give to friends or family or somebody that I know. So those are kind of the piles that I'm going to be making from going through this random bag of clothes. Let's see what's in here. First thing in here is a really beautiful color, one of my favorite colors. So maybe a me try on. Oh, this is nice. This is LL Bean and it's like a little snap, quarter snap or something. And it's got the little pocket. Kind of like, what are they, the Patagonia ones? And it's fuzzy. It's this really pretty blue color. Yeah, I mean, let's see what size it is. This is a size large, so it might be a little big for me, but I'm okay with having things oversized. So I'm actually gonna try this on and put this in the me pile. From Talbot's, a very beautiful striped blazer. And this is really cool. I'm gonna try this on. I don't pick up Talbot's to resell or bring to buy sell trade anymore because the place that I probably would have taken things like this to has closed. It has someone's name on the tag. That's cute. All right, so I'm gonna try this on. It is really cute. Professional blazer piece. Next is this really fun peanuts crop top, tie-dye, trick or treat. So this is definitely more Halloween. I would say that this would be great for Plato's, but I don't think they're taking anything Halloween at the moment. It's a size extra large. Here's what the tag looks like. Show it to you again. Like I said, it's a cropped hoodie, sweatshirt, tie-dye. I don't know if tie-dye is like a thing anymore, but do I hold on to this until then? Oh my gosh, these are an amazing, I like this brand for myself. They are size large, so they might be a tad, I don't know, tad big. They're like a cargo jogger style. The stretch waist, they're like a maroon burgundy. These are really nice. They just feel incredible. I own a pair similar to this. It doesn't have the pockets and I love them. I'm gonna try these on. I usually always say with my try on pile is I usually only keep a very small handful amount of things that I put in there. Most of it I disperse elsewhere, but I like to try things on, so that's kind of where I put it first. All right, this is a pair of jeans from Cut from the Cloth, size 14. I'm trying to see if there's like a style name anywhere on here. No, I'm not seeing like an actual style name. I see a style number, but I'm not sure what that means. Here's what they look like. Here's the brand. I'm wondering if Plato's would take this. Do they look hemmed? I don't know. I always like get stumped with if they've been hemmed or not. I feel like that always gets me. But these look like in pretty good condition, and I don't think they're skinnies, which I know like Plato's does not take skinny. I don't think they're skinnies, so I'm gonna try taking this to Plato's and see if they want it. Next is a pair of leggings. These are just a pair of like burgundy leggings from Skechers. I didn't even know Skechers had leggings. Size small. So I'm gonna bring those to Plato's. I don't know if they'll take it because of the brand, but we'll see. Seems like a cozy sweater. Oh wait, this is not a sweater, but it's basically like sweater material. This is a pair of pants, like a sweater knit pair of pants. These are from Zara. There's the Zara tag. Here are the pants. They are very much wide leg. I don't know, do I try these on too? Let me try them on. Probably won't keep them, but they're so comfy looking that I have to try them on. All right, this is American Eagle Outfitters, size medium. It's kind of like a burnout. You can tell. Yeah, there you go. Now you can see it better. Kind of plum kind of color. Size medium. I don't really like to wear these kind of burnouty kind of things, so maybe Plato's will take that. That's funny. It's like almost the exact color of those leggings. This feels like velvet. Is this a dress? I think it is because I just found some pockets. It's like a brown velvet with pockets. Looks like it's long sleeve. Oh, it's Pure Jill, size medium. Okay. So a velvet long sleeve dress from J. Jill, Pure J. Jill. I think I'm gonna see if I can sell this one. It's kind of a more substantial piece from J. Jill, and I said that I would be trying to be picky about what J. Jill items I am selling, and I feel like that will be an item that I can try and resell. Next is another hoodie, space dye kind of hoodie here. Looks like it might be American Eagle with the little eagle thing going on there. Let's see if there is a tag. Okay, so it's American Eagle, seriously soft, size large hoodie. Long sleeve. That's nice. I will probably take that to Plato's. What I like to do is I like to take things to Plato's and then use the money that they give me to purchase things like either new tags things or higher end things that I don't normally find thrifting to resell, because I feel like they have better brands there. So that's what I like to do when I take things to Plato's. Oh, these are cute. These are cut from the cloth, Caddy Boyfriend, size 10. They've got like the flap pockets. Size 10. I wonder if that would fit me. I'm gonna try these ones on. Those are cute. It looks like a tweed blazer. It's like multicolored. It's like pink, green, blue. That's what it looks like. Like professional. Oh wow, it's got some very interesting buttons. Or not buttons, yeah, there's your buttons. It's like a stone almost. Oh, this is Pendleton. Nice. I don't know if it's showing up. It's like waiting out the tag. But this is Pendleton. Now I understand. Yeah, that's nice quality. It's got pockets in the front. The only thing with these Pendleton ones is I can never find a size. Like, I don't know why. Like, do they just not ever include a size? Oh wait, I found a tag. Oh good, there's a size on the tag. It is a size 8. That's really cool. I feel like that's a really nice one. So I may look that one up to resell. I've seen the tag right away. So this is Cabby, size small. It's got like a square neckline. I feel like the square necklines are in, right? And it's like a cable knit sweater. Kind of like a muted red kind of color. So I love that Cabby has the numbers, and I will look this up because this is more of a substantial Cabby piece. I'm being very picky with Cabby as well. Another American Eagle Outfitters. This looks like a top with some eyelet detail on the sleeve. And it's like got a stretchy top, so maybe it can be worn off the shoulder. I'm gonna take that to Plato's. Seeing something green and suede. Looks like it's a jacket. Oh, it's got tags and extra buttons. What is this? Pursuits Ltd. It is a petite, so for petite, retailed for $98. Wow, okay. It's actually very nice. This is actually very nice. I'm gonna look it up because it's new tags, but I also may try it on. Yeah, I know suede's like really in right now. Okay, we have a pair of shorts from Gap. Ooh. Oh, they're not my size. It's got like a button fly here. And this is what they look like. They're the 3.5-inch high-rise short. And they are Nuitags. So that's cool. I may take these into Play-Dohs just because I don't know if there's like a huge room for me to sell these. I don't know. Maybe I'll look them up first. I'll look them up first. But I think they're gonna go to Play-Dohs. Okay, we have another hoodie. Oh, it looks like it's missing. Why do I always find hoodies when they're missing the drawstring? Like, does everybody take out drawstrings now? Oh, but it's cropped. And I feel like Play-Dohs loves cropped stuff. I don't know if they'll take it though because it's missing the drawstring. What do you call that? Oh, it's Adidas too. That's actually really cute. I don't wear cropped stuff like this, but maybe I'll try Play-Dohs. Again, I don't know if they'll take it because it's missing the drawstring, but we'll see. I feel like they would 100% take that if it had the drawstring. All right. Oh, look, we're already at the end of our bag. Last item to share with you guys. This is from American Eagle again. This is the size extra small. And this is a yellow, kind of mustard yellow and white or cream plaid button up. Definitely cropped. Actually, this is really cute. Oh, it looks like it's got distressing in the arm and I don't know if that's supposed to be there. The other one has it too, so maybe it is supposed to be there. I feel like this is gonna be way too small for me, and again, I just don't wear crop stuff, but this is adorable. I might take that to Play-Dohs. There we go. There we have it. I have my Play-Dohs pile, my Try-On pile, and I actually have a pile of things I'm gonna look up to resell, which I feel like doesn't always happen in these videos, which is totally, totally fine. I just love going through these mystery bags of clothing and seeing what I can do with them. And if I can bring them to Play-Dohs, like that is ideal. That's what I actually want from these bags. These bags that I don't know what's in them, that I'm getting from people. Like my goal is to hopefully find things for Play-Dohs Closet so that I can bring them in to get money to then purchase things from Play-Dohs Closet to sell those things. That's kind of the goal here. So I feel like we did pretty good there. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this, and I will see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more. Take care, everyone. Bye.